The breakfast on boat. 包子加肉丸子汤。这个鸡蛋羹是船长的拿手菜，还有一些配菜一起吃。这是给甲板贴膜带，为喷漆做准备。We bought 10 rolls of this masking tape. Hopefully enough, and this is the roll back of the paper. But we do have a lot too much. This is quite fun here.
Yeah, we should probably look at it.
The sand here, once dried, will be used with spray paint for the deck or anti-skid.船甲板的喷漆工作完事儿了，我们过来验收一下。不过船长看完事之后啊，他是非常窝火呀。We have no steering at the moment, so we installed the emergency tiller this morning and quickly test it. Then we're gonna use the dinghy to help to move. The boat dial is slowly pouring into the water now, and then the cradle will go back, and for us to set it up for us, we will go out. It's probably very challenging because we're gonna use rope to drag the boat inside the channel and to the pulley. Ithaca is out of water. Check. She's almost 6 years not going out. Last time we did it in Brazil, 2018. Hold it. You cannot hold it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, still alive. Oh, it's beautiful. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna put you back.
They say patience is a virtue.